Prynawn da, a chroeso i Prifysgol Wrecsam ac i seremoni raddio y Brifysgol. Y chweched o 7 seremoni i'w chynnal dros 3 diwrnod. Good afternoon and welcome to Wrexham University and to the university's graduation ceremony, the 6th of 7 ceremonies to be held here over 3 days. Y mae 2 ran i'r seremoni sy'n cael ei alw yn gynulliad y Brifysgol. Yn rhan gyntaf y cynulliad, byddwn yn derbyn yn gymrawd anrhydeddus, unigolyn a ystyrir yn deilwng o'r anrhydedd yma. Yn ail hanner y seremoni, byddwn yn cyflwyno tystysgrifau, diplomau a graddau. There are 2 parts to this ceremony, known as a congregation of the university. In the first part, we will receive an honorary fellow, an individual who has been judged worthy of this honour. And in the second part of the ceremony, we will be presenting certificates, diplomas, and degrees. Mae seremoni heddiw yn achlysur ffurfiol i ddathlu eich cyflawniadau chi. Felly, gofynnwn yn garedig i bawb aros yn ei sedd a dangos parch drwy gydol y seremoni, os gwelwch yn dda. Today's ceremony is a formal occasion celebrating your achievements. So we kindly ask everyone to remain seated and respectful throughout. Ac bod ni yn eich annog chi i gadw lefel y sŵn i lawr, rydyn ni hefyd yn eich annog chi i ddangos eich cefnogaeth drwy gymeradwyo eich cyfoedion wrth i'w dyfarniadau gael eu cyflwyno ar y llwyfan. We do ask that you keep the noise to a minimum, but we also encourage you to show your support by applauding your peers as their awards are presented on stage. Please follow the lead of our platform party in doing so this afternoon. Wel, mae'n bleser mawr gen I wahodd Dr Lee Griffin, Cadeirydd Bwrdd Llywodraethwyr Prifysgol Wrecsam, I agor y seremoni y prynhawn yma. It gives me great pleasure to invite Dr Lee Griffin, Chair of the Board of Governors of Wrexham University, to open the ceremony.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this congregation of Wrexham University. Fabulous to see so many people in the hall on a period of such congratulation. Today marks a formal celebration of your achievements, where we recognise degrees earned and other matters concerning this university. And as authorised by Wrexham University, it gives me immense pleasure to open this congregation of Wrexham University and to ask that the University Proclamation be read. Thank you.
Hyder trwy addysg. Bydded hysbys I aelodau'r Brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol. Y cynhelir heddiw ar y dyddiad hwn, dydd Mercher, y 9 ar 20 o Hydref 2025, yn Ninas Wrecsam. Gynulliad awdurdodedig o Brifysgol Wrecsam. I dderbyn yn gymrawd anrhydeddus unigolyn teilwng, sydd trwy ei gweithredoedd wedi profi ei hunain yn deilwng o barch yn y gymdeithas academaidd. Derbynir i'w gwobrau hefyd unigolion sydd trwy efrydiaeth yn y brifysgol a thrwy ddisg, medr a dyfal barhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfryw raddau yn unol ag ordeiniadau'r brifysgol. Gyda phob gweddi a dymuniad ar iddynt fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl I wasanaethu ei hoes a'i cenedl dan fendith y nef. Yna, dy oleuni a gyfyd mewn tywyllwch. Ath dywyllwch a fydd fel hanner dydd. A rhai a fyddant ohono ti a adeiladant yr hen ddiffeithleoedd. Y mae digonedd o air ac o emau, ond geiriau deallus yw'r trysor gwerthfawrocaf. Hyder trwy addysg. Confidence through education. Be it known to all present that an authorised congregation of Wrexham University is being held today, October 29th, 2025, in the city of Wrexham, to honour individuals whose actions have earned the respect of the academic community, and to celebrate those who have completed their studies, demonstrating commitment, perseverance, and academic excellence. This ceremony recognises the achievements of our graduates, the contributions of honorary fellows whose work reflects the value of the university. We hope they may be granted health and long life to serve their generation and their country under the blessing of heaven. Then shall thy light rise in obscurity, and thy darkness be as the noonday. And they that shall be of thee shall build the old waste places. There is gold and a multitude of rubies, but the lips of knowledge are a precious jewel. Bydded hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yn bresennol fod y Brifysgol wedi rhoddi'r awdurdod i'r athro Joe Yates i dderbyn i'w graddau fyfyrwyr Prifysgol Wrecsam a enillodd raddau yn unol â rheolau'r Brifysgol. Gwelir enwau rhai y gellir ei derbyn i'w graddau yn y cynulliad yma yn y rhestr printiedig sydd wedi ddosbarthu. Let it be known to members of the university and to all who are present that the university has granted authority to Professor Joe Yates to admit to their degrees students of Wrexham University who have qualified for degrees according to the regulations of the university. The names of those who may be admitted to their degrees in this congregation are to be seen on the printed lists that have been distributed today. Wel, mae nawr yn rhoi pleser mawr i mi wahodd Dr Lee Griffin i gyflwyno Kate Humphreys am gymrodoriaeth anrhydeddus. It now gives me pleasure to call upon Dr Lee Griffin to present Kate Humphreys for an honorary fellowship.
Croeso. I am absolutely delighted to present Kate Humphreys for the award of Honorary Fellow of Wrexham University at our ceremony today. Kate is a highly skilled critical care practitioner with the Emergency Medical Retrieval and Transfer Service, working in partnership with the Wales Air Ambulance. She delivers advanced pre-hospital care to critically ill and injured patients across Wales. And on a personal level, having worked at the Regional Trauma Centre at Stoke, I know how incredibly talented that team is and how lives are saved and people supported through the work of that whole team. Kate works predominantly in clinical care practitioner-led teams, providing interventions far beyond the standard paramedic scope, including the administration of blood products. She is deeply involved in education and training, teaching advanced life support courses for adults and children. She leads on development training to colleagues, including expanding the scope of practice of paramedics and nurses within the service to ensure the best possible care for the people of Wales. Kate has contributed to national clinical guidelines for the Joint Royal College's Ambulance Liaison Committee. She is overseeing the creation of critical care advanced practice guidelines for the College of Paramedics. And she has recently collaborated with colleagues to improve critical care management of obstetric patients in Wales. Here at Wrexham, your support, Kate, has been valuable, so valuable in providing our students with real-world experiential learning opportunities and helping to drive our work to improve trauma education within Wales. Balancing her professional life with family, Kate is a proud mother of two. It's marvellous to see her family here today, and hello to Eros and to Agnes. It's lovely to have you both here with us today. So Kate's a proud mother of two and volunteers for South and Mid Wales Cave Rescue Team, assisting to run the advanced first aid courses for team members. Her passion for emergency care and her dedication to continuous improvement make her a vital part of Wales Air Ambulance's mission to deliver hospital standard care wherever it's needed. Kate is a long-standing supporter of Wrexham University, and I'm delighted to welcome her here today to accept our highest honour. In recognition of her contribution to advancing the development of paramedic students and her commitment to trauma-informed practice, I present Kate Humphreys for the award of Honorary Fellowship.
Well, thank you. This is pretty amazing. Firstly, I'd like to say congratulations to everybody here on your degrees and awards. The work and effort that goes into these achievements is enormous, and you should all be really proud of your successes. The enthusiasm and dedication shown by all the students and staff in Wrexham is truly outstanding, and it's been an absolute honour and a privilege to be invited here to share this day with you and to accept this fellowship for my work in paramedic education. Paramedicine has evolved rapidly in the UK over the past 50 or so years, and paramedics are now an integral part of not only pre-hospital emergency care, but also urgent care, emergency departments, intensive care departments, and more, in enhanced and advanced roles. And we ensure that any patient that needs it gets the best possible care. Those of you graduating as paramedics today, and indeed in all the healthcare sciences, are now part of that, and you will go on to make such a positive difference to people, to so many lives, those of your patients, their families, friends, and the wider communities in which you work. With the evolution of paramedic scope of practice comes the need for a sound education, and in such a short time this has evolved from a few short weeks to paramedic diplomas that I achieved in 2013, and now to the degree programs that we have here today. And here at Wrexham, with the first cohort of students graduating today, and I really am so proud to have played a small part in your journey. Paramedic education and the development of paramedic education is so incredibly important to me, and I'm fortunate to work as the lead for education in one of the most forward-thinking pre-hospital critical care teams in the UK. I hope that your experiences here at Wrexham will enable you to fulfill all your own ambitions and allow you to contribute to the continued development of our profession. I was recently asked by a paramedic interested in critical care what advice I would have given myself when I first started out. And it's the same advice that I would like to give to you now. The skills that you have learnt and that you have developed here are so important, so valuable to so many parts of the NHS and beyond, and are integral to the patients who are at the centre of everything we do and the reason that we do it. So never stop developing and never stop learning. And to everyone graduating here today, whichever degree or award you have achieved, please take every opportunity offered to you. And if none are offered, make sure you make some of your own. So thank you again. I really am truly humbled by this recognition. Congratulations to everyone, good luck for the future, and I hope you have the absolute best time celebrating tonight.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi y myfyrwyr hyn o Brifysgol Wrecsam i'w graddau, diplomau a'i tystysgrifau priodol yn y disgyblaethau canlynol. Gradd sylfaen gwyddor ymddygiad, hyfforddiant a pherfformiad cwn, nyrsio milfeddygol. Diploma addysg uwch, cwnsela addysg. Diploma addysg uwch, iechyd, meddwl a llesiant. Diploma ôl-raddedig mewn ymarfer cymunedol arbenigol nyrsio ardal. Baglor nyrsio anrhydedd, nyrsio oedolion. Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd, ymddygiad, lles a gwarchodaeth anifeiliaid. Gwyddorau chwaraeon ac ymarfer corff cymhwysol. Ymarfer cymunedol arbenigol nyrsio ardal. Iechyd, meddwl a llesiant, meitheg a dieteteg. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees in the following disciplines. Foundation degree in Science, Canine Behaviour, Training and Performance, Veterinary Nursing. Diploma of Higher Education, Counselling. Diploma of Higher Education, Mental Health and Wellbeing. Graduate Diploma, Community Specialist Practice, District Nursing. Bachelor of Nursing, Honours, Adult Nursing. Bachelor of Science, Honours, Animal Behaviour, Welfare and Conservation. Applied Sport and Exercise Sciences, Community Specialist Practice, District Nursing, and Mental Health and Wellbeing, Nutrition and Dietetics.
Karina Fullard. Zoe Haldane. Katie Jackson. Lauren Parry. Holly Benyon. Verity Chalmers. Rebecca Digby. Amy Ellery. Kate Holmes. Kerry Jones. Chelsea Maiden Jones. Megan Marriott. Ella Moore. Kaylee Morville. Anwen Parry. Ashley Pugh. Lucy Randalls. Jessica Rees-Ford. Kiara Ryan. Hannah Warnes. Olivia Williams. Jude Trahan. Jock Andrews. Leah Beattie. Fiona Christensen. Chris Garvey. Gary Wyndon. Lauren Knowles. Emma Littler. Laura Roberts. Sabine Suston Church. Sue Young. Laura Jane Jones. Lucy Alderson. Llynos Jones. Sean Jones. Zara Stone. Victoria Taylor. Darren Carr. Sophie Fowkes. Caddy Parry. Andrea Brumby. Melissa Clifford. Rhian Davies Littleland. Adam Adogan. Alison Griffin. Anna Garland. Jessica Purvey. Louise Smith-Jones. Abby Taylor. Emily Williams. Rhiann Williams. Amadeus Archewski. Owain Goodwin. Kalim Roberts. Margaret Christian Marsing. Carol Morris. Sarah Blackburn. Maria Cajeo Marquez. Rosie Rogers. Laura Thomas. Cleo Williams. Daryl Corkish. Tracy Delestro. Kyle Daly. Sam Jones. Rebecca Keane. Elizabeth Kenny. Avani Kashwala. James Perkins. Rosie Seymour Jones.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, wahodd yr is-ganghellor I roi ei anerchiad y prynhawn yma. I would now like to invite the Vice-Chancellor to give his address.
Bryn and Da, and good afternoon, and croeso, welcome graduates, friends, families and colleagues. What a privilege it is to stand here in front of you today as we celebrate this incredible milestone in your lives. Today is about you. It's about your hard work and your perseverance and the bright futures that lie ahead. Graduation is a significant milestone and we are incredibly proud of you all. Graduation, though, is more than just a ceremony. It's a moment to reflect on how far you've come and to look ahead to the opportunities that await. Over your time here, you've gained more than just knowledge. You've built friendship, overcome challenges, and developed the skills and the confidence that will carry you through the next chapter of your lives, providing a strong platform for you to make a real impact in whatever you choose to do. You are graduates of the future. You are our future. This class of Wrexham 2025 are the nurses, the medical professionals, the paramedics, the animal behaviourists, the psychologists. This week we've graduated therapists, social workers, computer scientists, engineers, businesses, all of whom will go on to make a huge impact in their careers and in wider society. Your university's been doing this for a long time. Our long history dates back to 1887, when the Wrexham School of Art and Science was established. We first started offering degrees in 1924 and achieved university status in 2008. We've come a long way since then, and we can all be proud of the quality of our teaching, which was ranked top 5 in the UK. However, we never stand still. Wrexham University is evolving, just as you are. We've recently launched our vision and strategy, Wrexham 2030, setting our ambitions out to grow, to innovate, and continue making a real difference to our students, our communities, and the world beyond. We've made a bold and unwavering commitment to those who live, study, and work in our communities, to work in partnership, to improve the educational, economic, social, cultural, and environmental prosperity of all of our communities. It's important for us to recognise, though, that while strategies and buildings may change, it's about you, our incredible students. It's about our incredible staff, some of whom are sitting behind me. And it's about graduates just like you who bring it to life every day. You may be leaving the campus today, but you will always be part of our university and our community. Wherever your journey takes you, whether it's into a new job, further study, or a new adventure, know that you have a community here that believes in you and supports you. My wish for you is that throughout your lives and your future careers, that you keep the values of Wrexham University close. Excellence. Strive to always do your best, and whatever it is you are doing, aim to do it well. Inclusion. Always treat people with kindness, dignity, and respect. Integrity is important. Never lose sight of it. Collaboration. We're better together. Collaboration and partnerships unlock solutions, so take others' points of view on board and harness the strength of others. To share the wisdom of the African proverb, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Transformation. Our world is changing so quickly, and you, our most recent graduates, are on the crest of the wave, going out into your futures with the ability and the promise to change things for the better. So be ambassadors for change and strive to make a positive difference. Sustainability. The earth is ours to inhabit for just a short time. So recognise that you have a vital part to play in the world that you pass to future generations, and let that thought guide your decision-making. If you hold these values close, you won't go far wrong in your personal and professional lives. As your Vice-Chancellor, I wanted to say again just how proud we are of all of you, our class of 2025. I also want you to know that you'll always be part of our community here in Wrexham, and I invite you to join our Alumni Association so you can stay connected with us as your careers and your lives develop. So when you leave, head over to the marquee. You'll find our Careers and Alumni Association stand, have a chat with them and connect. So finally from me, go forward with confidence, be bold, stay curious and never stop learning. Congratulations to you all. We couldn't be prouder. Thank you. Diolch.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, groesawu llywydd undeb y myfyrwyr ym Mhrifysgol Wrecsam, Freya Groom, I roi ei hanerchiad. I'd now like to welcome the President of the Students' Union here at Wrexham University, Freya Groom, to give her address.
Pnawn da, good afternoon everybody. It is a privilege to stand before you today as President of Wrexham Students' Union to celebrate this extraordinary moment in your lives. Today is not about the degrees you have, but about the years of commitment, patience and personal growth that have led you here. As students, you've all faced challenges, from difficult assignments to those late nights where deadlines have felt impossible. But you've also shared countless moments of joy, the friendship forged in lectures, the memories made in societies and sports clubs, and the community spirit that makes Wrexham such a special place to study. As you reflect on these years, it becomes clear that the experience here have shaped far more than your academic achievements. They've instilled resilience in the face of difficulty, determination when the path was uncertain, and appreciation for the strength of community. On behalf of all graduates, I want to extend a heartfelt thanks to your lecturers and staff whose dedication and belief in you has been unwavering, to your families, friends and loved ones who've cheered you on and supported you through every step of this journey. And to my fellow students, thank you. Thank you for your energy, your passion, and for being the heartbeats of this university. It has been my privilege to serve as your Students' Union President and to witness the strength, creativity and resilience of this community. Graduation is not an ending, but a beginning. The knowledge, skills and friendships you have built here will stay with you long after today. Wherever your journeys take you, whether into new careers, further studies or opportunities you've not yet imagined, step forward with confidence, knowing that you are prepared. So, to the class of 2025, congratulations. Celebrate today with pride in what you achieved, gratitude for those who helped you along the way, and excitement for all is still to come. Thank you, and once again, congratulations.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi y myfyrwyr hyn o Brifysgol Wrecsam yw graddau, diplomau a'i tystysgrifau priodol yn y disgyblaethau canlynol. Baglor yn y gwyddoniaeth, anrhydedd, therapi galwedigaethol. Ymarfer adran llawdriniaethol. Gwyddoniaeth barafeddygol. Physiotherapi. Seicoleg. Therapi iaith a llyferydd. Adfer o anafiadau chwaraeon. Tystysgrif ôl-radd nyrsio adran frys. Diploma ôl-raddedig, ymarfer cymunedol arbenigol nyrsio ardal. Gwyddorau iechyd, therapiau, iechyd meddwl a llesiant. Meistr mewn gwyddoniaeth, gwyddor faiofeddygol. Seicoleg addysgiadol, iechyd meddwl a llesiant, nyrsio iechyd meddwl a seicoleg. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees in the following disciplines. Bachelor of Science Honours, Occupational Therapy, Operating Department Practice, Paramedic Science, Physiotherapy, Psychology, Speech and Language Therapy, Sports Injury Rehabilitation. Postgraduate Certificate, Emergency Nursing. Postgraduate Diploma, Community Specialist Practice, District Nursing. Health Sciences Therapies. Health, Mental Health and Wellbeing. Master of Science, Biomedical Science, Educational Psychology, Health, Mental Health and Wellbeing, Mental Health Nursing, and Psychology.
Angharad Birch. Jordan Croft. Faye Edwards. Emma Evans. Donna Fellows. Helen Harris. Marcus Hurd. Natasha Holt. Danielle Lee. Jenny Nicholson. Liliana Randall. Amy Walker. Kate Williams. Michelle Windust. Helen Dodd. Joanne Nadia. Charlotte Tudor. Rhiannon Wilson. James Brodie. Alexander Dowell. Amanda Edwards. Max Swindon. Dylan Vinning. Laura Williams. Laura Delves. Ryan Evans. Ross Fenner. Taylor Griffiths. Rhodd Hughes. Tim Jones. Gemma McNay. Ryan Maddox. Gabriella Nagy. Amy Ryder. Mary Grace Sahonia. Laura Sharp. Claire Barclay. Thomas Robert Crowley. Paul Davis. Katarzyna Kościecka. Amber Lowe. Katie Roberts. Danielle Tarpey. Karis Taylor. Magdalena Wyszliczka. Louisa Burke. Nicola Harris. Alau Jones. Katie Lyon. Naomi Powell. Catherine Rolston. Sian Walker. Ella Dyke. Rachel Randall. Sorry. Gareth Price Lovell. Tesney Roberts. Finley Washington Dyer. Linda Williams. Manon Williams. Lisa Burkill. Kaiser Edwards. Susan Hayes. Kristen Hughes. Rebecca Maxack. Jack Richards. Deborah Roberts. Vicky Ryder. Rebecca Sumner. Anna Booty. Delith Jones. Rosie Hicks. Katrina Kemp. Lourdes Kerr. Jessamy Larkham. Molly Rothwell. Rangamani Trimilaya Vindamore. Alicia Griffiths. Nayari Mtendiro. Stacey Poston. Evelyn Adams. Victor Adebayi. Esther Ezeofo. Sarah Jones. George Morris. Ilke Alisi. Susan Glover. Ashley Lightwood. Funmilea Olabode. Savi Pun. Ashleen Edwards. Catherine Jones. Thomas Nodden.
So now is the most formal part of the ceremony. It's the point in which we confer the degrees or other awards on you, and you become graduates. At some of the older universities in England, this would be done in Latin, and at the newer universities in England, it's done in English. Here in Wales, we do this in Welsh. The orator will ask me to confer the degrees and all their privileges on you, which I will do. She will then ask me to do the same for those who are not present today and are getting their degrees in absentia. May I therefore ask all the graduates to please stand.
Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor. Cymeradwyaf I chi dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Trwy awdurdod y Prifysgol a omdderiadwyd I mi, derbyniaf chwi eich gwobrau ac I hoch frentiau gwobrau hyn.
Anrhydeddus isganghellor. Cymradwyaf I chi dderbyn yn ei habsenoldeb, y myfyrwyr hynny a enwyd yn rhannau priodol y rhaglen i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol a ymddiriedwyd I mi, derbyniaf y crau a nodwyd hwnnw, habsenoldeb i'w gwobrau ac I hoch frentiau gwobrau hyn. Congratulations, you are now graduates of Wrexham University.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, wahodd cadeirydd bwrdd y Llywodraethwyr I gloi y cynulliad y prynhawn yma. I would now like to invite Dr Lee Griffin, Chair of the Board of Governors of Wrexham University, to close the congregation.
You've done it. Well done. Well done. The granting of an academic award brings with it privileges and responsibilities. Through your hard work and your diligence, you have joined a distinguished society of scholars. And I just want to add my personal congratulations to each and every one of you, to those of the Vice-Chancellor and the University. And in so doing, I can formally close this congregation of Wrexham University. Diolch.
Wel, gyfeillion, dyna ddiwedd ein seremoni raddio y prynhawn yma. Cynelir cynulliad nesaf Prifysgol Wrecsam yn hwyrach ymlaen heddiw. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this afternoon's graduation ceremony. The next congregation of Wrexham University will take place later this afternoon. Gai ofyn I bawb I sefyll, os gwelwch yn dda, ac aros ar eu traed, hyd nesur o'r ymdaith gan gynnwys y graddedigion newydd adael y neuadd, os gwelwch yn dda. May I ask you all to stand and remain standing until the procession, including the new graduates, have left the hall. Diolch yn fawr.